This Century 21 Brooks Wells Enterprises property video is presented by Sherry.robinette. Located approximately 5 minutes off the AI Way, Route 10, is a rare find. 267 acres ml of beautiful clear, level to rolling hills and wooded land that can be used for farming, cattle/horses and llamas. Several natural house seats for a subdivision or your own private retreat. Property has 3 ponds, a spring, city water, electric and 60 years growth on timber. All of this within 1.5 hours of Lexington, Columbus, and Cincinnati. Plumfork in York, Kentucky. Call today for more information. For more information, review the details below or contact Sherry.robinette at 606-571-1413.